got this.
Oh, I forgot to mention. Every 3 bites, you gotta look up at the camera, give me the thumbs up so I know you're still with us. Alright. Let me know when it starts to get hot.
Come on, people's champ.
Oh, you'll know.
Have you had anything like this before?
No, like this.
Are you serious? Oh. You guys set them up, didn't you?
Yeah, no, yeah, exactly.
And that dish has gotta be finished.
I feel you, that's why I put it back in the dish.
There you go. This guy.
Starting to help, guys.
Yeah, you got this.
I just felt the seed crack, and I was mad that I let it crack.
I put all the stuff in the middle so you could give you a chance to build
I
up.
could tell.
Alright, let's talking. Come on, Jerry.
Holy shit. You guys are dickheads.
Hey, what you don't finish, they gotta finish.
Alright, go. Just go. Come on. Yeah, you got this, man.
Can't even breathe.
You can at least get a dog.
Now remember, anytime you feel like you gotta throw up, the bucket's right
Yeah, I
there.
noticed that right away.
If you miss the bucket, you gotta clean it up.
It's hot.
Dude.
Give me the old thumbs up.
Oh, I mean, it's up. I'm not.
Oh, you just dropped mad bills. Come on. And you got a bull like platinum. Come on, man.
You gotta finish it. Holy smokes.
It's just too hot, dog.
Hey, are you?
Hey, I got. It's pretty close. Everything else is tingling. Holy smokes.
Stop talking. Let's eat it.
What do you want from me? I'm sweating, crying.
This poor guy got set up bad, man.
House that shit down. Come on, Sherry. Do it.
You're an asshole.
Let's go, Sherry. Come on.
Again.
Let's go, Sherry.
Sherry.
Yeah.
Sherry, baby, Sherry.
I'm gonna fucking lose.
Sherry, you got it.
Come on. Fucking eat it. Let's go.
I'm out.
Oh! All right, there. Drink that beer.
Drink some beer and water. Come on.
You guys are bad. You know that? You guys are bad.
Oh! You good, Jet? Oh!
Oh, Mano. Don't miss the basket.
Oh shit! Look at that! It's fun! Oh my god!
Jerry, drink some water!
Sheridan, have the beer!
Jerry, drink some water!
Okay, I can see it!